And welcome back to part 2 of this lovely video. And we're now going to put the side light bulb back into the car. Hallelujah! The job is done. Bloody nightmare. So, I've now got to put the air intake back on, make sure it's not what we want there. Just put that back over here, like so. Put the plastic retaining pegs back in here, like so. There we go. So that's that back in. Put the shitty screws back in, sorry, excuse my French. Put the crusty screws back in. Once you find the blooming socket. Oh. You know, this is a job I wish I never started, but I now know how to do it. I now know how to do the job. And yet again, you lose the bolts. Ah! Yeah, I know I'm just treating it like a screwdriver. I'm just lost the motivation now. And there you go. Job's a good one. So I'm just going to reverse the car back a wee bit and we'll see if we can get it, show you what new lights look like. Now they do actually look much better. That's the passenger side. It does look a lot brighter. Overall I'm not happy about the side light. The side light just looks about the same. So let's check the driver's side. So that's the driver's side now. Yeah, there's a massive improvement over the standard bulbs. I'm happy with it. I'll come back in a shot. So, if you want to spend a couple hours in the afternoon trying to change the bulbs on your car, then this is a worthwhile upgrade to do. Just remember, the easiest solution on this Qashqai, on the 1.6, I don't know about the others, is to remove the air intake system. And gain access to the bulb that way. Don't follow what Nissan say in the owner's handbook, saying that you can remove it without taking out the headlight, because it is nigh on impossible, because you've got 1, the battery, 2, the fuse box, you've got the air intake system is number 3, and number 4, you've got a metal bar, which is basically chewed at my hand and my arm. And there was times I was thinking, I'm going to get my hand stuck in here, so there we go. So I'd just like to thank you for watching part 2 of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Facebook page at Scottish Car Enthusiasts and our Instagram page, and I shall catch you in a future video. But for a moment, farewell. I'm now away for a cup of tea. Good afternoon and welcome to Scottish Car Enthusiasts on the driveway. But today we're not on the driveway, we're actually just on the outskirts of Edinburgh. So I'm going to show you my new exhaust system I got for the Qashqai. So here we go. This is an eBay special apparently. I think I've seen it advertised on eBay before, but this came from one of the guys on the Nissan Qashqai owners pages on Facebook, and I was looking at an exhaust in the past, but unfortunately I couldn't get anything that would fit this, because the 1.6 petrol is not regarded as the best engine, and the people who make the exhausts usually just do them for the 1.5 DCI and the 2 litre DCI engines that were manufactured by Renault. So this came up on, as I said, this came up on the owners pages of the Nissan Qashqai forums, and hummed and hawed about it because it was a bargain. It was £100 for the exhaust. Once you add in the package in, it was about £130 in total. I'd inquired about it, I'd hummed and hawed. I asked the guy if it would fit a 1.6, he came back to me with the eBay link, which said it did. I was still a bit sceptical, and I thought, do I, do I not? I just decided to bite the bullet. I went, well, £100, okay, it's a wee bit of money, but it's not a lot of money compared to exhaust systems I've had in the past on cars. So I went into a garage yesterday just to check this would fit, because the hanging handles were totally different from what the standard back box looked like on the Qashqai. The guy came back and said that he could fit it and I could do it this afternoon. So I was quite pleased with that. It took about just over an hour and a half to fit the exhaust. So there was a wee bit of cutting involved. But I'd just like to give thanks to Seafield Services based down in Leith for fitting me in and getting the exhaust on. I wasn't expecting that. So thank you very much, Seafield Services in Leith in Edinburgh. What's the exhaust like? It's not too bad, to be quite honest with you. I've had like a Scorpion system on a Mini before, and that was really loud. That was a non-resonated version. So this is quite quiet compared to the Scorpion Red Power system I had on. I've had like a long life exhaust on one of my Focuses I had in the past, and I can't actually remember what I had in my first Focus. I've got a funny feeling that was a Scorpion as well. But this, I mean, even to buy these exhausts brand new, you're looking at about £156 brand new. Add in your postage, you're looking at about £180 just for a back box. And you can take it to your local exhaust specialist, your local garage, you know, maybe just fit like a reducer to reduce the size of the pipes from the centre pipe backwards. But yeah, it's just a simple, effective wee modification, and let's go see how it starts up. So, I don't know if you heard it, but it's quite a quiet wee system on startup. It's got a nice wee burble to it, and I'm now just going to give it a few revs. So there we go. It's got a nice burble to it. It does. Got nice wee pops and burbles to it. And for the money, you can't go wrong with this. I mean, if you're looking for an exhaust system that's quiet for your car, and I'd recommend this. You can find them on eBay. I think it comes from Poland or something like that. And exhaust brands, funnily enough, it's a P. And the back box is in a black, so it sort of blends in with your black moulding on the bumper. So it's quite nice. It's a nice subtle addition to the car. I mean, if you've bought like a Qashqai, like this sort of age, just as a 2008, you might just want to replace the back box with something that will last a wee bit longer. And this is a potential system you could get. Otherwise, you can go down the routes of looking at exhaust systems from Scorpion, from Magnex, Janspeed, that sort of thing. You can see what's what. But I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the page at Scottish Car Enthusiasts on Facebook, and I shall catch you in a future video. Shall we just give it one or two more revs? Why not?